Have you ever tried a specific piece of camera gear and thought to yourself, wow, how have I ever managed without this before? That's exactly how I felt about the latest addition to the Divevolk ecosystem, the revolutionary Bluetooth Shutter, after my first test dive. What this small and boring looking piece of tech does and why I can pretty much guarantee you love it right away, that's today's video topic. Hey there underwater image makers, great to have you here for today's exciting announcement / review video. My name is Matthias and I'm an underwater cinematographer and content creator. I've been a beta tester for Divevolk and their new gear innovations for years and have already played with pretty much every piece of gear Divevolk has released in the past. I even created the official Divevolk online course, Mastering your Divevolk C-Touch 4 Max, a while ago. If you're interested to learn how to get the most out of your Divevolk system, check out the course through the link in the video description below. And if you want to sign up, the first 10 people using the code Bluetooth will receive a 10% discount. So you can say I'm a big fan of the Divevolk ecosystem and like a lot of the gear they produce and sell. But their latest edition has really blown my mind and impressed me big times. Say hello to Divevolk's new Bluetooth Shutter. So this little device can be attached either directly to your C-Touch 4 Max, 4 Max Plus or 4 Max Platinum housing, or alternatively to Divevolk's dual handle tray. It can be quickly and easily attached with a simple twist and click mechanism. A long press will activate the device. Once activated, you simply open up the Bluetooth connections on your smartphone and look for a device that says Divevolk UWST. Click connect and that's it. You can now open your smartphone's camera app and use the physical button to either take a photo or stop video recording, depending on what mode you're in. The button has a haptic feedback like an actual shutter button on a DSLR camera, which makes it really comfortable and nice to use. At first, before trying it myself, I thought it was a bit of a gimmick, but oh was I wrong. This thing changes the way you use your Divevolk housing and transforms it completely. Instead of pressing on the screen to take a photo or start video recording, all it takes is a small movement from your index finger. It feels like using a high-end underwater housing for a DSLR or mirrorless camera. It's just so convenient. Not only, but especially when taking macro shots, because now you're introducing a lot less shake when pressing the shutter button compared to pressing on the membrane. There is literally no lag on the connection and it works very reliably. If you don't use it for 15 minutes or more, the device will turn itself off. But don't worry, you can reconnect it easily even underwater. So even if you forget to connect it on the surface in the first place, you can still do it underwater without problems. Divevolk's Bluetooth Shutter is lightweight, simple and intuitive to use. In short, simply genius and an add-on to the Divevolk system that I can highly recommend to everyone. And at a price point of $69, it kinda is a no-brainer. Plus, if you use the community link in the video description below to order your Bluetooth Shutter, you'll receive a special discount of 6% on your entire order. Not just the new Bluetooth Shutter, but anything you might want to get alongside it. Thank you Divevolk for this great offer to our community. Is there any negatives to this new device? Not really. I couldn't find anything I didn't like or any problems with the Bluetooth shutter during my testing. It works flawlessly across a large variety of different third-party camera apps, not just the native camera app of your smartphone. Since the UvaCam app is my absolute favorite camera app to use with the Divevolk system, that's the one I've used most extensively during my testing. If you're not familiar with it, I recommend you go and check it out. It will be linked in the video description below. So that's Divevolk's new Bluetooth shutter in a nutshell. What is your first impression? Do you find it useful? Do you want one? Let me know down in the comment section below. And should you have any questions, leave them down there as well. Should you want to learn more about my favorite camera app to use with the Divevolk system, check out this video over here next. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week and keep capturing your awesome underwater adventures. I will see you in the next video.